And now, time to scratch the paint all up, because that's what I love to do. I love it. Give her a nice little spray down real quick.
Missing someone.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. What is going on, everybody? Hope you're having a great morning, afternoon, even though time to watch this video. Sorry for the delayed videos. I have been on a cruise, enjoying some dang vacation. Haven't had a vacation in a long time. But that's cool. It's a little freaking blood mark or something. Stupid ass birds. But anyways, been on a cruise. Sorry, I got a vlog coming for the cruise. I have to edit it. It's actually a lot of footage. Had a really good time. But anyways, if you're new to the channel, like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for all the upgrowing support on the channel. I really appreciate it. But today is just gonna be a walk around view, since I got new wheels and tires, of the 2006 LBZ. Now that is the truck that's on the channel if you're new, and I just wanted to give everybody an in-depth look at it and what I will have done to it and what all is coming to the channel for this truck. She looks really good with wide wheels on it, and I think y'all are gonna like it. So without further ado, here. Okay, starting from the front, and we'll work our way to the back. We have terrible ass oxidized crystal clear eBay specials. The bottoms are still good, but I'm about to be changing these out to black soon. Probably gonna start doing the black and white theme, little stormtrooper look, and then I might black out these strips on the front and rear of the bumper. And I have a surprise coming for the truck. It's gonna be the top half of the wrap, and then something going on the bottom with the YouTube name. Plastic up grill. I need to get a all black mesh grill. I would like to do that, and then overlay billet grill from eBay. Crystal clear fog lights. I had to add those. Didn't come with it. Rough Country 6-inch suspension lift. Shout out to Rough Country. Appreciate y'all. And the truck is now running 22x14 fuel Moabs and 37 1350 Ironman all countries. And they're pretty loud. Rode pretty decent on the way here. Probably got about half tread or so. Traded the 26s for them. And coming into the suspension, we have, I know the frame needs to be painted, but other than that, we have everything brand new, from the lower ball joints, lower control arms, upper control arms, tie rods, CV axles. Left this truck sitting for a week when I got back from the cruise, and look at that crap. CV axles started rusting. And I'm probably gonna wrap these and whatnot. But I have Kryptonite upper control arms, Kryptonite tie rod. Shout out to Kryptonite. Link in the description for that. Amazing products. Just a 6-inch with 3-inch lift keys for the Duramax. And we're gonna move on to mirrors. So we have eBay mirrors, custom color matched, all to the truck. Everything when I got in the wreck not too long ago, from the bumper caps, mirrors, door handles, Escalade door handles, were all paint matched. So I have to put these fender flares back on because like I said, it's two different colors of paint and I don't like that. So I gotta put the fender flares back on to hide all that, and then hide that stuff in the back, and it's gonna look all good as new. But dude, these wheels are so huge. I love it. Just give y'all some side views and whatnot. Coming to the rear of the truck, we have LED third brake light all the way down to our tail lights. I want to get those changed for some black ones soon, so I can get the white tail lights, like color matched tail lights. I definitely want to do that soon. And then we have an I'm not sure where I got that, some auto store, but it's a drop down hitch. I think it's like 6 inches or 8 inches. And then I gotta reline the bed, or find a new bed, one or the other, because this bed's a little messed up. But like I said, we'll be fixing all that. And that does it for the outside pretty much. Sorry, it's really windy. Also running a 5-inch Magnaflow from the turbo back. I have to get a 3-inch downpipe soon. And then the LB7 up pipe. I want to get rid of that EGR core. I have the blocker plate, but I just don't have the EGR deleted completely. So definitely want to do that soon. That's coming after I get the lift pump, and then train horns is going to be somewhere in between there. But rock lights is coming next for sure. Rock lights, and then probably lift pump is the next big purchase. And then painting the frame and stuff still has to come along. But I'm probably going to do that real soon. My next paycheck, going to do that. But I'll give you all a little sound clip of the 5-inch exhaust here. And I also have wheel lights installed, single row. And that is an 8-inch exhaust tip, if any of you are wondering. Here's the LEDs all lit up. Dude, this thing's so stupid wide now. Like literally the whole tire comes out in the front. And it has the adapters. These are 1x180 wheels. And the 8x180 wheels, so they can put the newer Duramax. What's this? And these are just eBay LEDs. I have to get the, I think the ones JW Montoya mentioned in his channel. Those are the built-in resistors. And I would love to get with Boost Auto Parts to get these clear switchbacks. I've talked to on the channel about that before. I really want to start doing that. And other than that, she's stock besides an S&B cold air intake and a DSP5 switch and tunes from Ethan Brown. Got back home. I'm probably gonna try and get some Starlight tunes soon if they still have them for sale. But oh yeah, and also I have 5 over factory. That's with the door open on this one. 5 over factory of everything. And I have 20 ceramic on the windshield. So it's not that bad. Yeah, it's not that bad. But that does it for that, y'all. I really appreciate all y'all stopping by the channel. Thank you guys so much. And you have a beautiful, beautiful day.
Lights play. Lights play. Lights play. Fuck your wifey. I don't got no problems on 119. Yeah, she biting cause she love I'm piping. Sibling, cold drink, my 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 drink. I stay fresh, I ain't never outdated. Keep it real, all these niggas be hating. They gon' laugh when I tell them I made it. Money long, but they money be faded. Rondo, I'm back to the base. Moving fast cause I don't got no patience. I'm a doctor, I'm fucking up patience. In her mouth, she deliver my baby. All these fluids gon' have us sedated. Smoking pressure, I get elevated. Moving slow like I work for the matrix. By my money, I'm getting impatient. Can't wait to say I made it. Baby, I'm getting impatient. Bleed your hand, my baby. Blue dreams, I'm chasing. Fuck your wifey. I don't got no problems, I'm 119. Yeah, she biting cause she love I'm piping. Sibling, cold drink, my 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 drink. Fuck nigga wanna change up, when he gets a little change up. You a lame for the fame, cuz killing shit, I'm dangerous. Paint a face like a painter, drop dick like an anchor. She'll lead, don't think, though. Disappear like a flame, blow. But she keep on leading me on. I'ma fuck, I'ma leave her alone. I'm a freak, I just love how she moan. And she keep on turning me on. Drip diamonds and video songs. Get high and I go to the moon. Go to the moon. Go to the moon. Lights play. Fuck your wifey. I don't got no problems on 119.